So what's up guys? Good evening. I am Loba Forex. So like my name is Loba Adibayo. I'm new here. My aim, let me just go to the point. My aim here, first of all, is to document my trades, and also I should share my own opinion, or like the way me I trade my own forex. No, not my own forex market actually, like the general forex market. Now, like your strategies will be different. For me, I just come and like create this channel, so as to share my own opinion on the market movement, and also my own strategy also. So I am Oluwatobiloba. You can call me Loba Forex, you can call me Loba Forex. Yes, you can call me Loba Forex. Any one of your choice. So today what I'll be trading, I'll be doing analysis of Euro USD today, as you can see there. So let's just go to the chart, straight to the point. Yeah, so now from here, what can we notice? That USD have been in a bullish trend all this while. If you notice, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It has been having like series of higher highs, higher low. Yeah, you can see it. So now, at this point, after this higher high, higher low, also it gave us another higher high. But you know that when trade, okay, I don't know if I can still trade. It gave us another higher high. So now, at this point, like this is the daily time frame. So now, first of all, know your trend. Second, map out support and resistance level. So from daily time frame, this have been a support. If you should notice it, like it have been in a bullish trend. The fact that this candlestick that is forming did not form like this, like since it was coming down, like it did not form this way. The fact that this candlestick did not form this way, then it retested this side, and is the fact that it did not form like this, just know that this is not a bearish trend yet. It is still in a bullish trend, so it is a great opportunity for us. So now, what is the rules of the market? Buy when the price is low, and buy when the and sell when the price is high. So now, let us look for our opportunity to buy. Actually, I was actually looking at this point first. Let me clear this, because on the norms, I was expecting the price to come back to this point, which it did. Then it went back up again to create another higher high. So now it want to create higher low, but here it created equal low. So now this is still an uptrend. Yes. So now this is the thing. Since it is buying right now, so now we have to look for opportunity. That okay, where will I take my buy entry from? And if you should also notice again, a W pattern form around dis point. W pattern form around dis point. So now let's just refine everything. Dis was the former low, right? And dis W pattern na form. Dis was the neckline, make I call it neckline. So now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. I'm trying to make dis as short as possible. I hope it's not my network. So on the 4 hours time frame, if we should notice it right now. Now what do you notice? That it is still in an uptrend. So now I want to show you something. Before if a market is in an uptrend, you must verify it that okay it has minimum of 2 high or minimum of 2 low before you can draw your trend line. So from here you can easily draw it. You get? But now can we say something like that here? Yes, because now from this point, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now it is forming another higher high, higher high at that point. So now let us now look at it again. I said we can draw the trend line from the last 2 high or last 2 lows, but for the support, last 2 lows. So I draw it like this. And if you should notice, I said buy at the support. So now at this point here, it's created lower low, sorry, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now it is creating another higher high. So now where was the last support? The last support was here. You get? It was there. The last support was there. So now to take this trade entry, and also it broke this support level, no, this resistance level around this side. And now since it has broke the resistance level, there is high possibility now, like it is very high that it will come. Wait, see now, like now like we have two chances of where we can take our buy from. First is the trend line, second is from this resistance level that was yeah, like this resistance level. It was a resistance level before, so this candle broke it. Now it has not support. So now this is where we take our entry from. I really don't care about, I'm coming at this point, but I prefer we put it like this. I'm coming. So from here now, you see. So now this is the thing. There are two chances here of where the market will reject from. So now this market can reject from this trend line and can bounce from this trend line to the upside to continue its move, or it can actually come to this resistance line here. Then if it come here, it will go back, or it can come here again. But the thing now is that this is where candlestick formation come into it, you know. So now this is it. Candlestick formation, they don't matter if they are not on the support or resistance line. Okay, now let us say this is a resistance line, right? Yeah, resistance before, like it was forming like something like this here before. At this point, can you see that it has been rejecting, but eventually it broke above it. Form series of higher high, higher low, series of higher high, higher low, higher low. So now you can see from this point that there's a resistance level here. So now this is the thing. There's high. Now this is where candlestick candlestick confirmation comes in, of seeing something like W pattern. So now from this point you have to see a W pattern around there. If you no see a W pattern around there, just know that okay, what the fuck is wrong with this thing? So now can you see? Now if you are looking to even take this trade because it is a good trade, you have to see confirmation, a W pattern on the trend line, or at this point W pattern. So now let us go to the 1 hour time frame. If you can also, maybe if you can just see something to do around there. So now you can see exactly, you can see what I've been looking for. And see now, if you should even notice on the 1 hour time frame, there's this little resistance here. So now there is high probability, like this was the last resistance level, right? So now this candlestick, this candlestick would actually come back. I'm coming. This candlestick, if it come back to this place, to this point, just take your entry of buy, yeah, of buying it, because this was the former resistance level, and now it correlates with the trend line forming, so it will surely come back here. So from here, I assure you can take your buy. Let me set a buy limits, then take, okay, risk 20 pips. So now can you see? So this is my analysis on this Euro USD today. I'll try to make you guys to see the outcome. You get? So guys, please, I beg you in the name of God, I really need your assistance also, by just subscribe. Please, just subscribe, like, follow, share. Yeah, thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you very, very much. So I'll see you in my next video, analyzing this trade if we miss the trade. So let's see how it goes. Thank you, family. Keep it up, guys.